What? Yeah, what are we all doing? How old are we now? 9 weeks? Who can say 9 weeks old? And would you like to tell your names? You tell everybody your names. Say, I am Miss Mizzy. Here's Mizzy. That's Miss Lizzie. That's Mr. Mac. And this cute little one down here. Who's the cutie pie? Who's the cutie pie? You're the cutie pie. You're the little Aggie. Yeah. And there's Mommy playing. Oh, here's the Mommy playing. There's Mommy playing. Oh no, there's a little Aggie over there. That's our little choo-choo. It's choo-choo. And it's back. Yes, there's a choo-choo. Where's he coming? What are you doing? Here's Zach. Say hi, Zach. That's Daddy Zach. Yeah. Say hi. Can you say hi? You see a pretty boy? Who's here? Who's here? Is that our choo-choo? It's choo-choo. It's choo-choo. What? And there comes a little camera hog. Yes. Oh, get Mommy. Go get Mommy. Go on. Go get Mommy. Yeah. Well, now I'm just waiting for help so I can have somebody help me clean. Oops, there goes Mom. Well, the leaper. They're all leapers. Yeah. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. There's my pretty girl. My pretty, oh, it's your pretty boy. What? What? Say hi. Hi. You say hi too. Say hi too. Mommy loves him. Look at how she plays. Look at how she... You're gonna hurt her. Isn't Mommy playing? Huh? Whose turn? Whose turn to play with Mommy? Hey, come on. What? What? Hey, no, you can't have the camera.